Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is all about fixing the issue with GTA 5. You are getting the error, failed to load due to incomplete installation. Please exit the game and reinstall the latest version. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. In the first step, if you have a Linux or the Steam Deck, you need to add the game right into your Steam library. Launch the Steam, click on this add a game option and click on the option add a non-Steam game. Now from here, click on the option browse to browse the game directory. Now open the game directory where you have installed the game. Like here I have installed the game. Select the game and click on the option open. I have already added the game right into my Steam library and here is the game. Right click and go to its properties, and then in the general tab you will find the option of launch options. Whatever is written over here, delete it, and then you need to paste this particular script that I will provide you in the description of this video. Copy it, paste right over here, then close it and hit the play option, and the issue will be completely fixed. Now in case of Windows users, while downloading you will find two update files. First one is with elmigo.rar and second one is with ending ruin.rar. You need to update using both the files. First you need to choose elmigos and second you need to choose ruin. So for the elmigo one, as I have showing right over here, open the folder of the elmigos, then you will find an exe file. You need to run it as an administrator. After running it in as an administrator, select the game installation directory, click next and then hit the install option. This will copy the files. After that, finish it. After that, you need to launch the ruin file. Open the folder, extract it and make sure you turn off your antivirus, else it will delete your file. After turning off your antivirus, run the setup.exe and then again select the game directory and make sure you checkbox the option copy contents of the ruin. After doing so, verify the game directory is correct and then click on the install option. Once it is installed, hit the finish button and then you can enable the defender. After doing these steps, again open the game directory and you will find the exe file of the game. You need to right click and go to its properties, click on compatibility tab and make sure you check mark the option disable full screen optimization. After doing so, hit apply and OK button. Do the same with GTA 5, Enhance BE, Play GTA 5 or any exe file related to GTA. Once done, relaunch your game and the issue of failed to load due to incomplete installation will be completely fixed out. And for your reference, here I have shown you the folder look like. Ruin and update folder will be available right into the ruin.rar files. And in case of elmigo, you will find direct exe file with the name GTA 5 Enhance Update. You need to make sure that your game folders or files must be matching with these two images that I have shown you right over here. And only then install the game using the method I have shown you right over here. So as of now, this is all about it friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much friends. Thank you for watching.